Electrostatic is the study of electric charges.
What is up?
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy with some definitions. The charge of an object is determined by the amount of protons and electrons. Charge. What does that mean? Protons are positive. Electrons are negative. To make this PVC pipe have negative charge, we must add electrons by rubbing it with cloth. And do the same to the balloon. Now, since they are both negatively charged, the balloons will repel from the PVC pipe. Moving on to electric fields. They exist between two charged particles. We represent them using electric field line diagrams. The electric field line diagram represents the force acting on a positive test charge. Here, we have two charged particles, the PVC pipe being negatively charged and the water positively charged. Now, since opposites attract, as the pipe gets closer to the water, the stream of water will start to bend towards the pipe.
Dribble drum, yeah. Dribble drum, yeah. Killing me, hoe, need to call paramedics. New Fendi runners, I feel athletic. Up by my partner, a paddock. Blowing this cash, it was time we ain't had it. Got 20, I must be a savage. Cooking in the kitchen, it don't smell like acid. Pouring this high tech, I'm sipping relaxing.
The two different ways to charge an object are charging by induction and charging by conduction. When charging by induction, an object is brought near a neutral object but does not touch it. The presence of the charged object near the neutral conductor will force the electrons within the conductor to move. When charging by conduction, both objects gain the same type of charge. For example, if a negative object is used to charge a neutral object, they both become negatively charged.
Now we will demonstrate how an uncharged soda can that contains protons and electrons reacts to a negatively charged object. Since the PVC pipe is negatively charged, that means there are more electrons than protons. So now when they are in touching distance, the soda can's protons are attracted to the pipe's electrons, which causes the can to follow the pipe.
Watch him rollin', watch him go, watch him rollin', watch him go, watch him rollin', watch him go, watch him rollin', watch him go. He be rollin' down the street, he be rollin' to the beat, he be rollin' down the street, he be rollin' to the beat. Watch him roll. Watch him roll.
Last but not least, it is Coulomb's law. The force of attraction or repulsion acting along in a straight line between electric charges is directly proportional to the product of the.
The formula is Phi, which is the electric force, is equal to kq1 times q2 over distance squared, where the k is the electrical constant, 9 times 10 to the power of 9, and the q's are the charges.
Okay, so today we learned about how induction and charging work. Also learned the definition of Coulomb law and the formula. How electrons and protons repel and attract to each other. Examples were given on each lesson and explained how they all work.
In the video are answers to these three questions. What are two types of ways an object can become charged? How does an object with a neutral charge react to an object that is positively or negatively charged? Why does the water in the stream bend towards the PVC pipe?